Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Reet. I have always had trouble in styling my oily hair, so in this video I decided to create this beautiful and cute hairstyles for oily hair. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So here you can see my hair are very dirty and very oily. So first of all, I'm going to brush through my hair to make them look nicer and neater. And I have done a side partition of my hair, and then I'm gonna section my hair from the front. I'm gonna take a big chunk of hair from front up till my ear, and then I'm gonna tie the rest of my hair into a ponytail at the back of my head. So first I'm gonna start off with a French braid from the front section of my hair, and for that I'm gonna take 3 different strands and then I'm gonna start braiding them. Let me know in the comment down below if you want to learn how to do a French braid, and I can make a video on that as well, or if you have any more suggestions about the hairstyles. So once I'm done with braiding my hair, I'm going to secure it with bobby pin right beside my ear. And then I'm gonna start doing the same thing on the other side of my hair. So once I'm done, I'm gonna secure it with bobby pin as well. After that, I'm gonna open my hair and comb through them and try to hide my bobby pins with my hair. And here I am, done with my first hairstyle. Second hairstyle is my personal favorite hairstyle. It's my go-to hairdo. And for that, first I'm gonna middle partition my hair, and then I'm gonna take hair from the front and diagonally twist it to the middle of my crown area. So I'm gonna twist it in a very neater and nicer way, and then from the middle I'm gonna just secure it with bobby pin, and I'm gonna make sure that it's clean and nice, and then I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the other side of my head. So I'm gonna twist it diagonally. I'm gonna make sure that I cover all my hair, and then I'm gonna secure it with bobby pins, and then I'm gonna brush through my hair and then make them look sleek and nice. So voila, we are done with our second hairstyle. This is third hairstyle, and it's my favorite hairstyle for any kind of parties or occasions as well. This is a sleek ponytail. So for that, first I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna brush through my hair very nicely and neatly. So second of all, I'm going to take a rubber band and tie my hair in a ponytail. So you can do either a middle partition or you can do a side partition, totally depends on your choice. So I'm gonna tie them with a rubber band at the back of my head, and for the sides I'm gonna make sure that I secure my bangs with bobby pins. If you don't have bangs, it's totally fine, you can just tie it in a rubber band in a ponytail. And after that, I'm going to take a chunk of hair from right underneath my ponytail, and I'm going to wrap around the rubber band. And once I'm satisfied with the width of the hair on my rubber band, I'm gonna secure it with bobby pin. So I'm gonna secure it right underneath my ponytail where it is not visible. I'm trying to make sure that it is not visible as much as possible. So here I have set it with the bobby pin, and now I'm gonna tighten my ponytail. So this is very beautiful and elegant hairstyle if you have to go for parties. So this is fourth hairstyle and it's very easy to do. It's just a regular half updo. So for that, first I'm gonna take the crown part of my hair and I'm gonna tie the rest of my hair in a rubber band so that it does not come in a way. And then I'm gonna take my hairbrush and brush off my hair so that they look nice and neat. And then I'm gonna take a cute scrunchie and put it in a ponytail. You can also use a regular rubber band and you can wrap your hair around it. The same I did in my last hairstyle. And voila, I'm done with all of my hairstyles. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much guys for watching the whole video. I hope it was helpful for all of you. If you liked the video, do not forget to hit like button and also share the video as much as you can. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do. And also if you have any suggestions, please put them down in the comment box below. And I will see you guys until the next time. Love you guys.